Muskan here. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video I'm gonna create this look right here. So this is kind of very Indian makeup look, or you can say very ethnic makeup look. So if you're a office going girl, so you might be knowing that we do celebrate different kind of festivals, and also we do have a different kind of themes. So if you have a ethnic day theme, then you can definitely try this makeup look, because it hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes of time and you can do this makeup look without using any foundation. So that's a great thing. So yes, without talking much, let's get started with this video.
Yes guys, so first of all I'm gonna use this white tone cream. I'm using it as my moisturizer, and if you don't wanna use any foundation you can completely skip it, because when you use this white tone cream it instantly brightens up your face. So here I'm gonna line my lips with this, what is this, Adidas Pro lip liner, and I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty's liquid concealer here. And today I haven't used any sort of foundation. I just wanted to use some concealer just to highlight my under eyes, that's it. And here I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty's non-transfer bullet lipsticks and lipstick not lipsticks, yeah. And the shade was Bare, and this is perfect nude shade for every skin tone. And here I'm gonna use this Mars blush here, and I have used a very little amount, as you can see, because I wanted to keep it very natural. And when you do ethnic makeup, like, always remember, don't go heavy with blush, and you have to keep it very simple and very subtle. And now I'm gonna use concealer on my eyelids just to prime my eyes, and I'm gonna use that brown shade right there as a transition shade. Yeah, so I'm gonna just apply it on my crease and I'm gonna blend it towards my inner corner. So I also kept my eyes very kind of neutral, so I did a very neutral makeup today, because if you're going for office and if you have some occasion, then it's not that great if you're doing that bold makeup, I mean, at least for me. So yeah, I'm using this champagne shade on my eyelids. So this is a shimmery shade, so I'm just applying with my fingers. So just apply it on your eyelid, and again I'm using that same brush and just cleaning any like harsh edges or harsh lines. So yes, I just love this shimmer shade, guys. I mean, this is my favorite shade in complete palette. And now I'm gonna use that brick red shade and applying that on my lower lash line. So if you want, you can completely skip this step. And so now, as I'm doing this very natural makeup look, I'm not gonna use any falsies today, but I want to do some sort of dramatic eye makeup look. So what I'll be doing is I'll be using this eyelash curler, and I'll be curling my lashes really well, and I'm gonna apply a good coat of mascara. So as you can see, I'm just using this eyelash curler here, and I'm just pressing it, and you can see the difference. It instantly like opens up your eyes, guys. You can see the difference. I mean, I cannot do without curling my lashes, I mean without eyelash curler. So you can see the difference. And now I'm gonna use this Adidas mascara, and this is not a waterproof one, and I don't like to use waterproof mascara on daily basis. So you have to literally comb your lashes, then only you'll be getting that kind of natural eye makeup, I mean natural lashes. So now I'm just combing my lashes really well, and as you can see, yeah, so I'm just applying mascara now, and you can see the difference. So now I'm gonna use this Stay Quirky's Badass Kajal, and this is in ivory shade, I guess, or pearly shade. and I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash line like a kajal. So this is my favorite thing to do, guys. I mean, it instantly opens up your eyes and your face looks really fresh. So you'll be seeing a difference right now. So yeah, just as you can see, it instantly opens up your eyes and your eyes will look bigger. And I'm using the same shade as a highlighter. I just wanted to check whether it works as a highlighter or not, but it does. And yeah, it did a great job as a highlighter as well. And so if you want to skip anything, you can skip it. And I'm gonna add some glitter on my eyes now, and I'm just using a very little amount of glitters, as you can see. So yeah, and this is my final finished look, guys. I hope you guys liked my today's makeup look. So yeah, just comment down below and tell me, like, how was the look. And yeah, so this is my final finished look, guys. I hope you guys liked it. So yeah, bye, take care.
Yes guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel, and please share this video with your loved ones. And yes, don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any update. And yes, that's pretty much it. Bye, take care guys.